Every bottle begins far from the factory floor. Harvest starts at the peak of ripeness. Each fruit moves quickly before freshness fades. Cold transport protects flavor on the journey ahead. Thousands of kilograms move toward industrial transformation. The factory awakens before the first crate is opened. Every shipment is checked before production begins. Now the raw harvest enters the industrial chain. Timing and flow control keep the factory moving. The transformation begins with industrial cleaning. Industrial washing strips away the field layer by layer.
Every surface is sanitized before processing continues.
Even the cleaning system operates with precision. Computers separate fruit within milliseconds. Human eyes still protect the final quality. Only the best fruit advances through the line. Thousands of melons now move as one continuous flow. Clean production depends on disciplined control. The factory shifts from handling to transformation. Inside every fruit waits the next stage of production. Precision cutting prepares the fruit for extraction. Only the sweet interior continues deeper into production. Nothing inside the factory is allowed to go unused. The fruit begins turning into liquid at industrial scale. Fresh extraction moves immediately into controlled storage. Separation systems refine the juice for processing. Filtration smooths the texture with mechanical accuracy. Now the liquid enters the factory's controlled heart. The next stage prepares the juice for long-term stability. Controlled heat secures the juice for mass production. Every stage is controlled down to the smallest variable. Consistency is engineered through automated balance. Pressure transforms texture into commercial uniformity. The factory moves millions of liters without exposure. Packaging production runs beside juice processing in perfect sync. Precision filling keeps every container identical. Sealing protects the product before distribution begins. Identity and traceability are added at industrial speed. Automated inspection catches flaws invisible to the eye. Speed means nothing without precision control. Secondary packaging prepares the product for transport. Automation keeps pace with non-stop production demand. Protection continues long after the bottle is sealed. Cold storage preserves freshness before delivery. The finished product now prepares to leave the factory. Every production batch must pass strict verification. Precision testing protects consistency across every bottle. Laboratory systems reveal what the eye cannot detect. Safety standards govern every stage of production. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns. Industrial precision transforms harvest into global-scale production. And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish. Behind every bottle stands the effort of an entire workforce. What began in the field now stands ready for consumers. From one facility, products spread toward countless destinations. Industrial storage keeps supply ready around the clock. Cold chain logistics protect freshness far beyond the plant. Every shipment is tracked from factory to destination. The final stage moves production toward the global market. Production never truly stops inside a modern processing plant. After inspection, the logistics chain begins. Once approved, the factory releases its finished product. Approvals confirmed, releasing shipment. Clarity and color are perfect, label placement is spot on. Human judgment remains the final safeguard. Uniformity is measured down to the final gram. Packaging must survive transport across long distances. Safety standards govern every stage of production.